On today's adventure, I get really close to a seagull, using kelp as a bullwhip. And what the heck is this thing now on John's Northwest Adventures? Welcome back. This is a historic town of Port Townsend. We are visiting the state park of Fort Worden. It is part of a triad of defenses developed over 100 years ago. This one in particular was built in 1898 all the way to 1920. Names for the other two forts are Fort Flagler and Fort Kinsey. Together, these three forts create what is named the Triangle of Fire. None of them would ever see themselves being dirtied from gunpowder. During World War I, several of the guns would be dismantled to be used in Europe. By World War II, technology of the guns would be rendered obsolete. Any guns remaining at Fort Worden were eventually scrapped. In 1971, the State Parks and Recreation Commission would acquire this 433-acre bunker. All of the original structures remain and cater to public events. There is lots of historic housing that can be experienced and is also used for large venues that come here. Camping facilities down on the beach are a popular choice for visiting. Today we will be exploring the area of Point Wilson. This is the first video of what will be several parts. We will be stopping by the Port Townsend Marine Science Center, the Point Wilson Lighthouse, and Battery Kinsey. Because this is a Washington State Park, you will need a Discover Pass for parking. You can pick one up for $30. Just up ahead is the Coastal Artillery Museum. Just beyond that is the Visitor Center. Attention that there is the Port Townsend Marine Science Center right here at this building. When it's open, it gives opportunity for students to learn about marine life. On display here is a wide range of debris that washes onto the beach, disrupting the Puget Sound's ecology. Let me know some of your wildest stories on some of the items you may have seen wash up onto a beach. Fort Kinsey can be seen from this angle. Off to the right, you can also see Fort Flagler from this viewpoint. I approached this seagull nice and slow. I got pretty close to him. Down below was a thick ball of smelt or herring, I wasn't sure. A seal and her pup were making their efforts to catch something to eat. An interesting storage location. Okay, time to hit the beach. You can select one of 50 spots available from the beach campground, whether that would be a tent or a recreational vehicle. There are 3 different bathroom facilities that can be accessed, with showers available. Cody here is making a crack out of some bull kelp. He managed to get a couple of good snaps out of it. It would not surprise me that it is called bull kelp because of its features similar to a bull whip.
Well, yeah, the original plan was
Who knows? That bull kelp may have very well detached from this rock. Now here's an interesting find. This is something I spent a month trying to figure out the right words to search for it. Eventually I figured it out. This is what's called a gumboot chitin, the largest of its family of species, and they're edible. It is time to take a look at Fort Kinsey, the main attraction for this beach.
those are the walkways.
Thanks for watching. There are further parts I will be posting down the road. If you like what you see and you'd like to keep up to date with the latest adventures I go on, be sure to click subscribe.